This Friday Fiver will go through creating a single tooth for a gear. So I already have here a start where I'm working on 23 teeth, a diametral pitch of 20, the pressure angle and the thickness of the gear are already input. There's a wide number of relations driving this. So we are driving the pitch diameter, base, depth, root diameter, and these 4 circles have been designated to be the root diameter, outer, base, and pitch diameters. I'm also telling it this angle beta is 360 degrees divided by my number of teeth. You'll also see in the curve that the curve is created based on an equation to drive the involute curve. So what we want to do is mirror the curve to get the second side of the tooth. And the way that we can do that is with some helper geometry. I need a point that's going to live at the intersection of the curve and the pitch diameter. So when I say and, you got to hold down control. And we'll create a plane that goes through that point and the axis in the center of the gear. It looks like it's the same, but it's actually very slightly offset. Okay. And now we'll make a plane that is the appropriate distance away. So we're going to go parallel to that new plane. Sorry, not parallel, offset from that new plane, going through the center. And this angle will be beta divided by 4. For each tooth, we'll have an up tooth and a down tooth, and then 2 sides of the gap. So beta divided by 4 will decide how far that datum plane needs to be. And then we can mirror the curve over the plane. So to make the tooth, we'll create a sketch. Where we can project the 2 curves, the outer diameter and the root diameter. We can add a tangent line, not perpendicular, tangent, going from the curve to the gear. Force that to be tangent. And we can use the corner tool to make that nice tooth shape. And give that a pattern around the center of the gear. This is a good time to remind you that we should hide these curves and use the save status so that they stay away. I hope that helps.